Hello my gourmet! Today part 2! Welcome to Gourmet Healthy. In this channel you discover every week a new chef or a new artisan, and we show you more of the skills that you can learn from them, and also about food in general to actually help you to enjoy the most of it. We are back today at Swiss Miso for two things. One, we will see some nice miso truffle making, and two, we will have a little recipe of a simple miso soup, as some of you asked it. Let's go! Like chocolate.
Yes, it looks like chocolatier work, but
That's instant miso soup that we use white miso and put some dry vegetables that we also prepare ourselves.
this is for people who doesn't want to be bothered to make miso soup from scratch. And we are preparing the big order for a shop in Geneva.
Even though we call miso truffle, we received a question from few people saying, ah, c'est sucré? Non, non, non. Ah, mais on peut manger comme ça? Non, non, non. Ça, c'est trop salé.
You want to taste that?
Yeah. Oh, nice. It's actually deeper than classic miso, meaning that the taste is more, how can I say, colorful taste. It's more complex, and really you can use it for nice things. Shiitake mushroom is a great alternative for vegan to dashi, because it gives lots of umami into the soup already. I usually tell people 1 bowl of miso soup, about 1 tablespoon of miso paste.
Okay.
Once you put the miso paste into the miso soup, never boil it. That's the key, because once you boil it, not only becomes saltier, it loses all the miso flavor.
That's interesting. You don't just put that entirely in the pan.
I can.
You are making sure that everything is actually melting.
Exactly. I personally much prefer miso soup with red miso because it has deep flavor. Now we can serve to drink.
Nice.
It's super easy to make. It's super healthy. You can also add tofu in it, but
Nice.
if you put too much vegetable, it will lose the flavor of miso paste as well. Okay. Thank you.
Arigato.
Arigato. Okay. Slightly strong, as I explained. I like strong. Okay, so we are going to try this masterpiece. So you're using chopsticks, even if it's a soup?
Even for miso soup, yes.
Because I know it could be rude in European culture to drink directly, to put the mouth directly onto the bowl.
No, it's not rude.
Because usually soup people drink with a spoon, but it's part of culture that I use chopsticks to eat whatever's inside, and then drink the soup directly from the. That's the traditional way.
Okay. I do not remember that when I went to Japan, but it was a long time ago, so maybe I forgot. Because now I used to have the spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, my bad, Japanese people, I'm sorry.
but the others will understand. Enjoy!
Yeah.
Did you say it's strong?
To some people it might be strong, but
What? It's not even enough for me.
really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, to me this is just fine now.
Yeah, it's fine for me, but if I would add more, I would be happier.
Really? Do you want more?
If you say so. Yeah, that's perfect.
With the, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the taste, and the miso is so good that this is why. But I would never do that with industrial miso. Never.
It shouldn't be just one way to eat miso soup either.
I agree. I mean, fusion food is the future. Huh?
Exactly. Yes.
Is it why you are doing so different type of miso?
The base miso is white miso based off soya bean and rice koji. And then we have this red miso, which we combine the soya bean koji with cooked soya bean and a little bit of rice koji and sea salt. And we also make the barley miso. Of course, we're using the barley koji plus the soya bean. And other than that, we have yuzu miso, which we use our white miso with yuzu, which we get in the region. And umami sauce, which we call, is rice koji with soya sauce. I mean, it's the same base, but it has loads of umami and sweetness in it.
Nice.
Right. And then we have the instant miso soup, which we call miso truffle. It's all natural ingredients. All you have to do is put the miso truffle into the bowl or mug and pour the hot water of about 250 to 300 milliliter, which it all depends on your taste. If you want a stronger taste, of course you put less water. If you want less strong,
Or you add 2 bowls.
or you can have 2 bowls as well, as you want. And you mix well and just drink like that. It's a perfect way to start the day or end the day, or
For lazy people, or for events, as you could see.
or the morning after you went for a drink the night before.
True.
The miso
True.
soup is a really good way to recover your body quickly.
Exactly, that and some proteins.
Tofu is a very good way to add vegetable protein into the miso soup.
That's great. Can I have another? If you're not living near Swiss miso, you can still try to find some Japanese people near your home, and they can cook real miso like this, and then you can buy it, and then it will be much better. Trust me.
Thank you for coming today. I hope you got to know a little bit of our miso and could taste it in your eyes.
Please check our website.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.